How to fix phone number cannot be used for verification on your Gmail. So if you want to fix this phone number cannot be used for verification on your Gmail, then what you need to do, you need to note that this type of error typically means that the number has already been used too many times or there's a suspicious activity detected by Google. If you encounter this error, there are many ways that you can do to fix it. So first, you can turn on your flight mode. So go with your control center, enable it for a few seconds and then turn it off. After doing so, you can now restart your device and check if the issue is resolved or not. If this doesn't work, then you can switch your internet connection to mobile data. Like if you're using a Wi-Fi, you can switch it to mobile data, or if you're using a mobile data, you can switch it to your Wi-Fi. After that, you can go back and open up your settings. And from the settings, you need to go with About Phone and then go with your version and then make sure that you're updated. Make sure that your software has been updated. Lastly, you can go back and then go with your search and search for reset. Under reset, you need to reset your Wi-Fi, mobile network, and Bluetooth. And after resetting, your problem might be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.